Discover your dream home nestled within the serene estate lots of Hawks Landing. This charming one-level residence features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, perfectly designed for modern living. As you step through the front door, you're greeted by elegant wood floors that flow seamlessly throughout the main living areas. The open-concept floor plan caters to any lifestyle, with a grand great room boasting soaring ceilings, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and easy access to the kitchen. The chef's kitchen is a culinary delight, featuring custom cabinetry, stunning granite countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a formal dining area, ideal for family gatherings, and a cozy sitting area perfect for savoring your morning coffee while enjoying views of the expansive backyard. As you explore the hallway leading to the bedrooms, you'll appreciate the generous size of each room, making it perfect for families or accommodating guests. Each bedroom is carpeted and offers ample closet space, while the versatile office or 4th bedroom features chic wood flooring for an added touch of elegance. The master suite is a true retreat, showcasing a spacious layout with a tray ceiling that adds a touch of sophistication. The luxurious master bath is complete with tile flooring, a dual marble vanity, a relaxing soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower. Step outside to your private oasis, where a pergola-covered patio invites you to unwind and watch deer grazing nearby. This exceptional one-level home is beautifully situated on a tranquil 2.41-acre lot in the picturesque Hawks Landing neighborhood, complete with convenient storage buildings for lawn equipment and extra storage. Enjoy the serene amenities, including multiple lakes for fishing and scenic water views. Located in Oglethorpe County, this home is just a short 25-minute drive to downtown Athens and the University of Georgia. Don't miss your chance to make this stunning property your own.